Hello everyone, this is Sandra at the Whispering Well. This is the second video today, and this is going to be a unboxing and first look at a deck that has been gifted to me. Now normally I would do camera down on walkthroughs, but I've just filmed a previous video where I was face on to camera, and it's quite a faff to get the iPad in position and everything to do camera down, so I'm just going to do it like this and hopefully it will be okay for you. So I received this box in the mail from the US from a lovely lady, a friend and subscriber, and you know, she's in a lot of the chats, and this is our lovely Neem, who is Essence818 on YouTube. And this deck, what happened, Robin over at Toadstool Tarot had shown this deck on his channel, and I'd had a look to see if I could get it, and it wasn't available on UK Amazon. So I just put in the comments, oh, lovely deck, Robin, I do really like it, but unfortunately it's not available on UK Amazon. Anyway, Neem happened to see my comment and she said, I would really like to get you this deck. And I was like, oh my God, are you sure? Really? You know, you don't have to do that at all. And she was like, yeah, I'd really like to gift it to you. And I said, oh, that, you know, it's so lovely of people in this community are so lovely, kind, generous. It's kind of unbelievable every time. I'm kind of like, really, you want to gift me something? Are you sure? Can I gift you something back? Is there anything you would like? Can I get you anything? Because I'm just like, oh my God, I love gifting to people, but I'm not so used to getting things gifted to me, so I'm always kind of a bit taken aback by it. So anyway, we'll open the box. I have already opened the tape. We'll take the deck out, which I'll show you in a minute, but Neem has put into the box to make it smell nice, a lovely incense cone, so it smells lovely. I shall be burning this. So she's put that in, which has made everything smell nice. And I love this. I thought permission slip, and it's to Sandra, and it's got all these different categories, and she's ticked on the permission slip to believe in magic. I love that. I thought that was so cool. And then she's put in these stickers. I love stickers. These will probably go in my journal. Look at this. Death. It's so cool. How cute is that? So cute. Oh my God. Mind you, sometimes I find these stickers and that so cool and cute, I don't want to use them. This is Witchy Twitchy. It's really cool as well, isn't it? This is the Magician, which is a cat, which I love it. And she put the moon in, which is also lovely as well. God, Neem, where did you get these stickers from? They're so cool. So cool to have actual like tarot stickers. So that's, I'll get rid of the outer box and the cone. And yeah, thank you so much, Neem, for this. Honestly, it's so kind and generous of you. Anyway, I better let you know what it is. You'll be like, come on, show us, what is the deck? It's Tarot of the Nile, and this is by, I think it's, yes, Debris. and we can't get these in the UK. They're only available on US Amazon. So I've already opened the top of it so that we're not here pulling plastic off for like ages. Now you watch, the cards inside probably will be, oh no they're not, hooray, no plastic wrap. So that's the box, it's the back, side, so just a normal kind of tuck box. Then we have, oh it's quite a thick little book, look, The Key to the Tarot, based on the Pictorial Key to the Tarot by Arthur Edward Waite. Oh, it's really nicely done, look, little colour pictures for each one as well, and a one page of writing for each one. Well, that's really cool. Guys, a decent little book. You know, normally you just get your general little white book in these, but in this type of deck you would think, but this is really good. It's got an introduction and it tells you about the deck. It's got a 3-card spread, tips, and then we go into the major arcana. As I said, it's a full page picture, and our minors, so we go into the minor arcana, we just get a little bit of writing and a small picture for each there. So it's a really decent little book, isn't it? Wow. It even tells you example 3-card reading and then how to actually do it in the back. So yeah, really cool. I really like it. Nice, decent little book to go with that. So now let's get on to the cards. So, oh my gosh, it's nice cardstock. Really decent. Look, that's not too thick but not thin either. It's really nice, and it's a linen finish. Wow, look at the backs, so cool. Scarab beetles. I don't know if it's going to be, if it'll pick up. Yeah, look, you can just see like the linen finish on the cards. Really nice quality, so nice. And although this is an Egyptian deck, it's the only Egyptian deck I've personally seen so far that is RWS based. That's why I loved it. It was like, oh, RWS based Egyptian deck, yay. So this is our Fool. So you can see straight away the RWS influence. The Magician. And he's got all his tools in front of him. And I like the artwork, the way it's been done, the faces, you know, the style of the artwork. High Priestess. Oh my god, Neem, I love this deck. Thank you so much. The Empress. Oop, booby alert, sorry. Anyone that doesn't like nudity. The Emperor. And the cards are bordered, and we have this slight inner border, but I actually like that, the way that's like done, like plant growing through the border. So I actually like that, and I don't mind the black borders at all. So this is the Hierophant. We have the Lovers. Again, obviously there may be a bit of nudity in this deck, guys. I'm not sure because I don't remember now when I watched Robin's. So yeah, just be aware that there might be the Chariot. Love the colours. Look at this yellow, but not too bright. Although in strength it's a bit brighter yellow. But I think it's not probably coming across quite the same on camera as it is in real life. That's our strength card. This is our Hermit. Very cool. Oh, this is so good. So good. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. This is perfect for me because I love anything Egyptian and I love the RWS, so this is perfect. The Hanged Man. And I always like when a hanged man has this almost figure 4 position, because not all hanged man cards are like that, which is fine, but I always, for some reason, I like that when the legs are in that position. Oh my god, look at Death. This is almost funny. Look at the face on the skeleton. Excellent. And this is almost like Anubis, who in Egyptian mythology he's to do with death and the underworld. These two heads. Temperance, and we've got what looks like a male for Temperance, but possibly could be either. But if it is male, that's cool, because we very often see a female portrayed for Temperance. This devil. Look at the devil. Wow, so cool. The tower, oh, I like that. Pyramid as the tower. Star, nudity again, guys. Really nice. The moon. I like the colours too. The sun. So you do have a child on what looks more like a bull or something like that. But he doesn't look too much like a creepy baby, I don't think. And he's slightly older child. Judgment. Like mummies coming out of the tomb. And the World. So that's our majors. So let's put those aside. So the first suit we come to is the suit of Pentacles. So we have the Ace of Pentacles, and we have a change of colour on this inner border, which is red. The Two of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles. This is so RWS, isn't it? I love it. I love the mix of Egyptian and RWS. 4. The 5, you still get that traditional feel from this out in the cold. It's raining, they're in kind of ragged clothing. The 6 of Pentacles. The 7 of Pentacles. the 8 of Pentacles, the 9 of Pentacles, got the bird there that we traditionally see, and the 10 of Pentacles. Oh, dogs. And then we have our Page of Pentacles, our Knight of Pentacles, and our Queen of Pentacles. And look, we've still got the bunny or hare down there as well, and the King of Pentacles. The next suit is the Cups, and the border for this is green. Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, a bit more nudity, 4 of Cups, 5 Cups, 6 of Cups, 7 Cups, the 8 Cups, the 9 Cups, and our 10 of Cups, and we still have the lovely rainbow and the family there. Our Page of Cups, he still has his cup with the fish in. The Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, and our King of Cups. Next we have Swords, and we have this kind of tan kind of colour. Ace of Swords, 2 of Swords, she's still blindfolded, 3 of Swords, 4 of Swords. Oh, it's like a mummy here again. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. 5 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 7 of Swords, the 8 of Swords, the 9 of Swords, and the 10 of Swords piercing the body. We have our Page of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and our King of Swords. And on to our last suit, which is Wands, and the border is in this blue colour. Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, and you know these that the pharaohs very often had, and this is like the traditional colour in this blue and gold as well. the Three of Wands. So I like that the wands have been portrayed like that for this deck, because it keeps it very Egyptian feeling. Four of Wands. Normally the pharaohs, they have one in each hand and a cross like that, don't they? So Five of Wands. The Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. The Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Now 10 of Wands, carrying his heavy burden. Page of Wands. The Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands. Love the cat here, it's like Bastet. And a King of Wands. So, oh my gosh, I love this. I love that it's Egyptian. I love that it's so RWS. And most of all, I love the fact that, you know, it was gifted to me by a really lovely lady, a lovely friend, and someone most of us know from the chats. So again, thank you so much, Neem, for this deck. I love it, and I will definitely treasure it as a gift from you. So yeah, and I hope everyone enjoyed seeing this walkthrough of this very cool deck, which is the Tarot of the Nile by Debris or Debray. And it is available on US Amazon, I believe. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing well, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.